Welcome to the TMR Media News Roundup. Here are the stories making headlines today. 11 more people have tested positive for COVID-19 in Kenya, raising the number to 208. Health Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe said the new patients are aged between 1 and 42 years with travel history to the United Arab Emirates. Kagwe said another patient had succumbed to the virus in Nairobi, raising the number of fatalities to 9 a month after the first case was confirmed in the country. And on the same note, the number of people who have recovered from the coronavirus in Kenya rose to 40 on Monday after 15 others were discharged. Health Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe said 14 of them were in isolation health facilities. The government has allayed fears that the education calendar might face drastic alterations over the COVID-19 pandemic that has led to school closures. Education Cabinet Secretary Professor George Magoha on Monday said there was no decision yet to postpone national examinations for primary and secondary schools. Health Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe has defended members of parliament against accusations that they have done little to support the government in the war against coronavirus. Kagwe said, contrary to media reports, MPs were actively involved in providing their input and thoughts on how to prevent the spread of the virus that had infected 208 people in the country by Monday. The government says it is addressing concerns raised following the late-night burial of a man who succumbed to COVID-19 in Siaya, but has warned that cultural practices may not be practical. The burial of a man in Siaya sparked outrage after public health officials were seen tossing his body into a shallow grave as family members wailed. And finally, members of the Muslim community will bury coronavirus victims using white biodegradable bags following an agreement reached with the government in compliance with safety measures. According to the National Muslim COVID-19 Response Team, the bodies of those infected will neither be cleansed or shrouded to prevent the risk of infection. And that marks the end of our news roundup. Thank you for joining us here at TMR Media, where we always keep you in the know. Remember to subscribe to the TMR Media channel for more breaking news as they happen. I've been your host, Ramadan Saidi. Till next time, adios.